Hello surveyor community, welcome at our channel Ravikant RK Production and Namaste from India. So today our topic is how to check the traverse accuracy and what are its specifications and what is the formula to check the traverse accuracy. So first of all, let we open the survey manual which is prepared by Indian Road Congress, and this is the manual for survey investigation and preparation of road projects. So IRC SP 19 to 2001, and let we go to survey section of it. Let me search the survey section. Yeah, here. So now we are in IRC code survey section, and this is paragraph 8.2 survey procedure, and here you can see they have mentioned all the accuracy and what are the specification for survey work. The preliminary survey start with the running of a traverse along the selected route, adhering as far as possible to the probable final center line of the road. In difficult situations, a secondary traverse connected to the primary one at either end may also be run. In hilly area, a trace cut 1 to 1.2 meter wide, if required, may be made during the preliminary survey. For details in this regard, reference may be made to IRC 52 recommendations about the alignment survey and geometric design of hill roads. The traverse consists of a series of straight lines with their lengths and intermediate angles measured very carefully. In difficult terrain, the alignment may have to be negotiated through a series of short chords preferably. The traverse should be done with a theodolite with electronic distance measurement EDM and all angles measured with double reversal method. Okay, global positioning system GPS is also very useful and appropriate for preliminary survey. The GPS will give location in coordinates all the necessary points on the traverse. GPS is very fast, reasonable, accurate for preliminary system and computer friendly for data transfer. Control pillars in cement concrete should be fixed at a suitable interval ranging from 500 meter to 2 kilometer. Okay, there should be the GPS control point. GPS control point should be within 2-3 kilometers, but survey control pillar should be at every 500 or less than this if there is hilly area. To have control on accuracy, it also helps in repeating the survey if required within the control pillars. So next is our point about accuracy. Okay, distances along the traverse line should be measured with EDM or total station, an accuracy of at least 1 in 10,000. Okay, 1 in 10,000 should be aimed at in all distance measurement. So our accuracy of traverse should be more than 1 in 10,000. Okay, not less than this. If less than this, we have to redo the work. Next, they have also mentioned us many other specifications. If I go to down, there you can see the specification for leveling also, but today our topic is how to check the accuracy for traverse. So we will discuss in this video only about this paragraph and this accuracy. Okay, for next video we will discuss about TBM fly and fly leveling also, but today we will explain about this only. So let we go to Excel sheet. This is the survey traverse data between GPS 6 and GPS 7. This is only for example. Okay, This is only for example video, and you can do your work and you can check as per this video. Okay, so this is our traverse format and this is our traverse data. Okay, GPS 6, 6A and GPS 7, these are our GPS control point already fixed at site, approved by the client, and these are the final. So now what we did here traverse between GPS 6 to GPS 7, and we created new control points between this loop. Okay, so we started our traverse from GPS 6A, then we created new control points and close it at GPS 7, and our approved and final GPS 7 data is this one, and we observe this one. Okay, so you can see this we have observed. So this is the misclosure, or you can say this is the closing error in easting and closing error in northing. And if I go to down, you will see this is the accuracy 1 in this. Okay, so our accuracy should be more than 1 in 10,000. Okay, so what is the formula to calculate this? Because many surveyors asked about this, so I am preparing this video for the help to those surveyors. So let me check what is the formula. Formula is, you can see this E15, this one, total length divided by square root of misclosure of easting square plus misclosure of northing square and bracket close. Okay, so this is the formula. If I type, then what is the formula? Formula should be total length divided by, I am typing here SQRT, it means square root. Okay, square root of brackets, double brackets, square root of, I am mentioning here delta easting. Delta easting mean this closing error in easting, closing error of easting or misclosure in easting. Okay, I am mentioning delta E square. So you can put this, then square, this is the square, plus delta n square, bracket close and enter. This is the formula. Okay, total length divided by square root of easting square plus northing square, and that's it. Okay, this is the formula. Let me use this formula again, okay, for your understanding also. So what you have to do, you have to take is equal to, this is our total length. Okay, so total length divided SQRT, this is the formula for square root. Okay, square root, you have to take double brackets. Okay, then misclosure or closing error, delta closing error in easting, this square plus delta closing error or closing error in northing, this square, bracket close, enter. Okay, so you can see these figure have matched. Okay, so this is the formula. I hope you understand very well now about this formula. So let me go to up. we have to do traverse like this, and we have to check the accuracy like this, and we have to adjust the error between these points like this. For know the detail about this, please go to this I button mentioned here. Go to this I button video. This video shows the how to adjust closing error, or how to calculate traverse, and how to adjust error between points. So you have to check this video, and I showed you about this formula in this video. If you need this file, please comment your mail ID here in comment box, and like this video and share. If you are new, please subscribe our channel, press bell icon. Please share us, support us, and thanks to watch our channel. Thank you very much.